Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to my channel, Mr. Imron. Bagi teman-teman yang baru saja nonton video ini, silahkan subscribe karena subscribe itu gratis. Oke teman-teman, di video saya kali ini kita akan belajar bahasa Inggris tentang listening dan juga speaking. Kita akan mendengarkan suara langsung dari native-nya tentang cerita yang berjudul The Wolf and the Lamb, yang artinya serigala dan anak domba. Tuh teman-teman, kita akan mendengarkan dan kita juga akan melihat tulisannya secara langsung, dan kita akan mendengarkan dan kita coba untuk memahami isi ceritanya. Untuk kali ini, di video saya kali ini kita hanya mendengarkan suara langsung cerita dari native ya teman-teman. Kita hanya belajar listening dan belajar bagaimana caranya agar kita bisa ngomong bahasa Inggris dengan baik dan benar sesuai dengan ejaan yang berlaku di internasional atau di Amerika ataupun di Inggris. Oke, langsung saja kita mulai, kita dengarkan teman-teman.
The Wolf and the Lamb. In a green valley, the sun was shining. The grass was plentiful, and the flock was feeding and enjoying both nature and the delicious grass. There was one small sheep who loved to eat a lot. Over time, he wandered here and there looking for fresh, delicious grass, and was unaware that he had strayed far from his flock. The hungry wolf was closely following him, waiting for the shepherd to lose sight of him. When the little sheep realized he was lost and far away from the flock, he decided to go back and join them again. Meanwhile, the wolf suddenly came out of hiding. The sheep was terrified, certain that he wouldn't get away from the wolf, so he thought of a trick that might work. He asked the wolf, "Are you going to eat me?" "Yes, I am," said the wolf. "Can you wait for a while? I've eaten a lot of grass, and my tummy is full of grass. If you eat me now, you'll feel as if you're eating grass, so you better wait until it's digested," said the lamb. The wolf thought for a moment and then said, "Fine, I'll wait. I've been watching you for a while, and I can wait some more." Yes, the lamb's trick worked. But now what? Time passed quickly, and the wolf was getting ready again to kill the lamb. But the lamb stopped him again, saying, "Dear wolf, please wait some more. The grass hasn't been digested yet. If you eat me now, you will find a lot of grass in my tummy. Let me dance. That will make it digest easier." The wolf was annoyed, but agreed to wait a bit longer so he could eat delicious meat, free of the taste of grass. The little lamb madly danced for a while. Then he suddenly stopped. "Why have you stopped?" asked the wolf. "I can't dance without any music. Do you see this bell around my neck? Can you untie it and shake it hard so I can dance quickly to digest the grass in my tummy?" asked the lamb. The wolf was ready to do anything to eat the lamb, so he untied the bell on the lamb's neck and shook it as hard as he could. Meanwhile, the shepherd was looking for the little lamb and heard the bell ringing. He saw the wolf and the lamb, so he ran toward the wolf with his stick. When the wolf saw the shepherd, he ran away. The little lamb was saved by his own cleverness. The little lamb learned from this situation that even someone weak can win over the mighty using tricks and common sense.
Baik teman-teman, itulah tadi cerita yang telah dibacakan dan diceritakan oleh native-nya secara langsung. Saya harap kita semua bisa belajar bagaimana cara mengucapkan bahasa Inggris dengan baik dan benar sesuai dengan ejaan yang berlaku secara internasional. Untuk artinya nanti saya akan terjemahkan di video saya berikutnya. Demikian untuk video saya kali ini, semoga kalian suka dan jangan lupa subscribe. Terima kasih, sampai jumpa di video saya berikutnya. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.